we are going to be learning about large numbers. Let us start. 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. 5-digit numbers. In the previous class, we have learned about the largest 4-digit number, that is 9,999. If we add 1 to it, it becomes 10,000, making it the smallest 5-digit number. The 5-digit numbers that have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000 are known as 5-digit numbers. The 1 in 10,000 is going to be placed on the 10,000th digit. Reading numbers. In order to make reading numbers easy, we have divided it into periods. The thousands period and the ones period. The thousands period consists of 10,000 and 1,000, whereas the ones period consists of ones, tens and hundreds. The place value chart helps us to separate the numbers with commas. First step in order to reading a number is to read the thousands period. The thousands period consists of 1,000 and 10,000. Then read the ones period. The ones period consists of 100, tens and ones. For example, 17,537. The thousands period in this is 17 and the ones period consists 537. So we read it as 17,537. Use of commas in writing 5-digit numbers. We use commas to distinguish periods in a number. We write the comma after the thousands period to distinguish it from the ones period. For example, let us take a number 17,548. We put the comma after the thousands period, that is 17. So we are going to be writing it as 17,548. 6-digit numbers. We have learned that the largest 5-digit number is 99,999. If we add 1 to it, we get the smallest 6-digit number, that is 1 lakh. This is a 6-digit number and the new place is called the lakhs place. The 6-digit number adds another period to this place value chart called the lakhs period. Place value chart. Now, the place value chart has 3 periods. The ones period, the thousands period and the lakhs period. How do we read the numbers? First, read the lakhs period and then read the thousands period together. Then read the digits in the ones period. For example, 7,41,339. First, read the lakhs period, that is 7 lakh, then 41,000 and then 339. Place value and expanded form. The place value of the 10,000th digit is 10,000. We can also write the place value of digits of 5-digit numbers and 6-digit numbers the same way we write it for 4-digit numbers. Let us take an example of 74,928 and 1,23,456. 74,928. The place value of the digit 8 is ones and the face value would be 8 into 1 is equal to 8. The place value of the digit 2 is going to be in the tens place and the face value would be 2 into 10 is equal to 20. The place value of the digit 9 is going to be in the hundreds place. That is, the face value would be 9 into 100 is equal to 900. The place value of the digit 4 is in the thousands place. Hence, 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 is its face value. The place value of the digit 7 is in the 10,000s place. Hence, 7 into 10,000 is equal to 70,000 is its face value. If we write this number in an expanded form, it would be read as 70,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 8. 1,23,456. Let us take the place value of the digit 6. It is in the ones place. Now the face value would be 6 into 1 is equal to 6. The place value of the digit 5 is going to be in the tens place. That is 5 into 10 is equal to 50 is going to be its face value. The place value of the digit 4 is going to be in the hundreds place. That is 4 into 100 is equal to 400 would be its face value. The place value of the digit 3 is going to be in the thousands place. Therefore, 3000 is its face value. The place value of the digit 2 is in the 10,000s place. So, 2 into 10,000 is equal to 20,000 is its face value. The place value of the digit 1 is in the lakhs place. Therefore, 1 into lakh is equal to 1 lakh is its face value. Now if we write it in an expanded form, it would be 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 6. Comparing numbers. Let us compare numbers with different number of digits. For example, 1,245, 54,645. Now we know that 54,645 is a 5-digit number. Hence, it is larger than 1,245. Now let us compare numbers with the same number of digits. When we compare numbers with the same number of digits, we start from left and then go towards the right and find the number which is different. For example, 14,556 and 14,723. The 1 and 4 is the same number. Let us go on to the hundreds digit. That is 5 and 7. 7 is larger than 5, hence 14,723 is a bigger number. Ascending and descending order. We all know about ascending and descending order. Let us revise them again using 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Let us take an example. Ascending order could be 12,549, 14,628, 17,259. Let us take an example of descending order. Descending order could look like 99,543, 70,455, 35,256. Building numbers. Let us learn how to make numbers if we are given a certain number of random digits. We can make different 5-digit numbers if we are given a certain number of random digits. For example, if we are given 1, 3, 4, 2 and 5, we can have 120 different possibilities. But how do we know the largest and the smallest of all these 120 numbers? Let us learn how. First, arrange the numbers in ascending order. For example, 1, then 2, 3, 4 and then 5. We have got one number, 12,345. For the descending order or the lowest number, we are going to be arranging it in descending order. For example, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. got another number which is the largest 5 digit from these random numbers, that is 54,321. If there is 0 among the digits, how do we form numbers? If there is 0 among the digits and you have to form a 5-digit number, you add 0 in the second place. This is because 0 has no value. If you have to find the smallest number, you first put it in ascending order and then add 0 in the second place. For example, let us take the numbers 1, 5, 0, 7 and 2. The smallest digit is 1. Because 0 has no value, 0 is going to come after 1. Hence, the number would be 10,257. Similarly, for big numbers, we add 0 in the end. For this number, it's going to give us 75,210. Now, if we use 1, 2, 5 and 7 to form the largest and the smallest 5-digit number, we are going to get the numbers as 77,521 and the smallest would be 11,257. This is excluding 0. Rounding the numbers. These figures, which people say are not the exact figures, they give an estimation for the exact numbers. These are called rounded numbers. Rounding of numbers to the nearest 10. Rule number 1. We find the given number between two tens. We will round 63 to the nearest 10. We know that 63 lies between 60 and 70. Rule number 2. If the number at the ones place is between 1 to 4, we round the number to the previous place. Because of 63, the ones place has 3. It will be rounded off to 60. Rule 3. If the number at the ones place is between 5 and 9, we round it to the next tens place. If we want to round 68, it will be rounded up to 70. And if we want to round 63, it will be rounded up to 60. Rounding off numbers to the nearest 100. Rule 1. We find the given number between two hundreds. We will round 434 to its nearest 100. We know that 434 lies between 400 and 500. Rule number 2. We round the number closest to the 100 if the number in the tens place is between 1 and 4, we round it to the previous hundreds place. In case of 434, the tens place is 3. So, we round it up to 400. Rule number 3. If the number is at the tens place is between 5 and 9, it will be rounded up to the next hundreds place. If we want to round 473, it would be rounded up to 500. And if we want to round 443, it would be rounded up to 400. Roman numbers. Ancient people used a different method of numerals that we do not use now. This system was called Roman number system. Roman number system contains 7 basic symbols which are English capital letters. Look at this table. The Roman numbers and the Hindu-Arabic numbers. The Hindu-Arabic 1 is Roman I. The Hindu-Arabic 5 is English or Roman number V. Hindu-Arabic 10 is an X. Hindu-Arabic 50 is an L. Hindu-Arabic 100 is a C. Hindu-Arabic 500 is a D. And Hindu-Arabic 1000 is an M. Now let us learn how to use Roman numbers. Rule number 1. When we put a letter after the bigger number, it means we add it. For example, 6 is written as VI, that is 5 plus 1. Rule number 2. When we put a letter before the bigger number, it means we subtracted it. For example, 4 is written as IV, that is 5 minus 1. Rule number 3. We can repeat a single letter only thrice. For example, 3 can be written with 3 I's. 30 can be written with 3 X's.